Started my 52 Ford 8N. It's been sitting out all day. It's approximately -4 out right now. It's quite chilly. I'm just going to turn the fuel on. It's a fuel bowl. And for this I'm going to need to put the oil choke on. Turn the key on. And let's see what happens. Put a little cover over the rear PTO. It was leaking a little bit rather than getting in, tearing it apart this fall to replace the seals because it was dripping a fair amount. Put a cover on. And I have my new decals for over top of the Ford on the hood. Okay guys, just a short video on a cold start of my 52 Ford 8N.